Hey guys, so here is part 4 of the 10.5 notes. We are now going to use the table below to answer the following questions. Okay, so we have an age group from 5 to 13 who did and did not attend camp. So part A says, find the probability that a listed student attended camp. Okay, so here that means that we want to figure out how many students attended the camp, no matter what the age, and we need to know the total amount of students here. Okay, so in order to do that, we do need to count up all of those who attended. So we're going to do 45 plus 94 plus 81. And when you add those up, that's going to give us 220. Okay, now we need to make sure we add up all of these numbers to get the total. So in your calculator, you're going to put 45 plus 94 plus 81 plus 117 plus 62 plus 70. So when you add all those up, we get 469. So now let's find the probability that we have who attended camp over all of the kids. Now don't forget, we do want to write our final answer either as a simplified fraction or as a decimal. So our simplified fraction is 220 over 469, or our decimal can be 0.4691. Okay, let's go ahead and do part B. So B says, find the probability that a listed student in the 8 to 10 age group did not attend camp. So basically what we want to do is figure out how many total kids, right, did not attend the camp. We also want to know from the age range of 8 to 10. So here, we're going to actually find the total amount of students from 8 to 10. I'm going to change my color here. So for that, we're going to do 94 plus 62. So the total amount of kids from 8 to 10 is 156. Now, we want to talk about those kids that did not attend camp. So this is going to be 62 out of the total amount of 8 to 10 in that age range, which was 156. Okay, now we either simplified our fraction, so that will give us 31 over 78. Or we can write this as a decimal rounded to 4 places. That's 0.3974. And let me go ahead and show you, remember, how to change a fraction and make it sure it's simplified. So we're going to go ahead and put in 62 divided by 152. And then don't forget, if you want to, you can go into math, and then it's going to be frat. And there you go. And really, it should be over 76. Excuse me. Oops, that should be 62. Actually, I put this in wrong. 62 divided by 156. There we go. That's our correct answer. And then you can go to math, enter, and we get 31 out of 78. That's the correct answer. Okay, let's go ahead and do part C here. Okay, so for part C, circle the correct answer there. Find the probability that a listed student was in the 11 to 13 age bracket. Okay, so that means we want specifically how many students total are from the 11 to 13 age bracket over the total amount in our entire table here. Okay, so in order to do that, let's look at our 11 to 13. So I'm going to add up my 81 and this 70, so that gives me 151. And remember, the total number of kids we have in this table is 469. So I have 151 over 469. And this can't really be simplified anymore, so you can also write it as a decimal, which is going to be 0.3220. Okay, next one. Find the probability that a listed student did not attend the camp. Okay, so our listed students, there's a total of 469. Now we have to figure out how many did not attend the camp. So in order to figure out how many did not attend the camp, we will need to add up our 117 the 62, and the 70. So go ahead and add that up into your calculator. When you do, you should get 249. So our fraction is going to be 249 over the listed amount of students, which is 469. This one, once again, cannot be simplified anymore. And so with the decimal, we get 0.5309. Okay, last problem. It says, find the probability that a listed student in the 11 to 13 age bracket did not attend. Okay, so we want to figure out, once again, the 11 to 13 age bracket. That's going to be our total in the denominator. Then we're going to figure out how many did not attend camp itself. So 11 to 13 age range, we already found to be 151. And we know that 70 of them did not attend camp. So we're going to have 70 over 151 here. This cannot be simplified, so we write our answer as a decimal. We'll have 0.4636, and this will be our final answer. Okay, make sure if you have any questions, you contact me, and make sure you work on the homework assignment. See you guys later.